Hey there, welcome to Pi Labs and my name is Priya Mahajan. Today we are going to see how to download VS Code editor. And this is one of the fantastic editor on which you can write code in multiple languages like Java, JavaScript and Python. Let's get started and see how to download it. So first open your web browser. Right now I'm in Chrome and we have to type Visual Studio Code, and once you will click enter, you can see lots of links will appear, but we have to go to the official website of Visual Code Studio, which is codevisualstudio.com. Once you click on this link, we will reach to the home page and you have to go to the download button, which is in the right hand side of the screen. Just click on this and download the exe. You will see three different icons. One is for Windows, one is for Linux, and other is for the Mac. Since we are using Windows operating system, but the steps are same for Mac and Linux. Let's click on the Windows. You will see on the right hand side corner like one exe is downloading. Once it is downloaded, we will click on the exe file, double click on it. After double click, a screen with the license agreement will open. You just have to go to this radio button, I accept the agreement, and then click to the next. Click on the next again. If you want to create a desktop icon, just check mark it and rest leave all the things as it is. Click on next again and you are ready to install. Just click on the install button and installation will start. Now you can see our installation process has finished. Click on the finish button and it will launch VS Code editor screen. As you can see, now we are inside the VS Code editor. You can choose the favorite theme of whatever you want. I want to choose light modern, and after choosing your theme, you can click on markdown as we want to keep the settings as it is. Once you have completed the markdown, you can open a new file and you can choose any file that you want to write on. Like I'm going to choose text file. So this will open a new file for you to work on. And this is the complete process for downloading and installing VS Code editor on Windows. Now let's see how to set up Python in the VS Code. For this, we need to install the extension. As you can see on the left side, there are lists of icons. We need to click on the extension icon. Just click on it and then in the search bar, type Python keyword. Press enter. In the first one, this is the most popular Python icon. Just click on install. Now this is going to install the Python extension in the VS Code editor. As you can see, the Python extension is installed. After installation, you can click on new file. It will give you the option of Python file. Once you will click on the Python file, your Python extension is open on it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep learning and happy coding. Thank you.